Raemelton Farm in Mansfield, Ohio has been a premier equestrian center since the early 1900s. Established and developed by Frank Black, a local leader in industry, Raemelton began hosting polo matches and indoor equestrian events in a classic arena where tea was served in a viewing room. Mr. Black also refurbished a large barn to accommodate horses. Both the large barn and the arena are listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The large barn includes 10 stalls, a tack room, office, grooming stall, and second story for storage. The second long barn includes 14 stalls, a shop area, and covered parking for equipment. The 52-acre farm also includes 2 3-bedroom cottages and a 1-bedroom greenhouse residence. Raemelton Farm is approximately 7 miles from Mansfield Ohio Airport, which can accommodate light jet aircraft, and is approximately 1 hour from Columbus and Cleveland airports via the interstate.